Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for today, for 27th Feb 2021. And this is Shilpa Menon. I'm quite excited. I've chosen a lovely deck today, being a full moon. I'm sure people who have crystals and decks, I do invite you to go ahead and charge your crystals and your decks out in the full moon tonight, because that is the energy for today, where we go ahead and do moon bathing and connect with our intuitions. So yeah, and if you are very keen on full moon rituals, do check out the link in my bio, because we are doing a full moon magic meditation today called as the moon magic. Having said that, let's dive today. I'm damn excited because there is a new deck I have received, and I intended to do the reading from that deck. The deck is called as the Spirit Junkie. It's a beautiful deck by Gabriel Bernstein, and I've been eyeing this deck for quite some time, and yay, finally it's arrived. So let's see what is the message that's come through today. Happy morning, Vinita Auntie. Hi, Karishma. Good to see you guys. Let me flip the camera and show you the card or the message just for today. So the message is, today, I consciously choose to think loving thoughts, take compassionate actions, and bring forth peaceful energy. It's such a self-explanatory message today, that just for today, because we all know that with full moon sometimes our energies can go up and down. So you can make an affirmation or a promise to yourself that just for today you consciously choose to think loving thoughts, take compassionate action, and bring forth peaceful energy. Very, very self-explanatory. In fact, I also decided to pull out an Archangel deck card, and this is my Archangel Oracle card, and I'm going to ask which Archangel needs to come in today to help us to continue to maintain the momentum of peace. And let's see who's coming in today. Amazing again. The Archangel that's come in is Archangel Chamuel. Archangel Chamuel's aura is like spring green light, and what is very interesting and connected in this moment is this particular Archangel deck speaks already about peace. So Archangel Chamuel is telling you that peace comes from remembering that only love is real. So let me show you both the cards together and how amazingly they are interconnected. I hope you can see the card here. Peace comes from remembering that only and only love is real. So imagine if you stay in energy of love today, you're able to consciously think loving thoughts, take compassionate action, and bring forth peaceful energy. And invoke Archangel Chamuel each time you feel you are staying, or rather you are entering into chaos and you're not feeling peaceful. It's beautiful energy. I love Archangel Chamuel. He's one of the first archangels that started connecting with me, and I started channeling way back when I started connecting with angels. Very, very soft presence, brings in lots of peace and harmony. So for today, invoke Archangel Chamuel, whose aura is spring green light, and you can go ahead and use the affirmation. While I was doing the reading, it reminded me of a quote, I think it was by Wayne Dyer, which said that at any given point of time, especially in relationships and communication, we always have a choice. You either choose to be right or you choose peace. The choice is in your hand, because a lot of times in our conversations, knowingly, unknowingly, the ego takes over, and it's all about proving a point. I'm not talking about when you're genuinely right, but it's about proving a point. So here is a time when you can ask yourself, especially when you're conversing with your loved ones, do I choose peace or do I choose to be validated or wanting to be right all the time? The choice is yours, and go ahead, make that decision today. It's a lovely quote any which ways, and here is your affirmation one last time. Today I consciously choose to think loving thoughts, take compassionate actions, bring forth peaceful energy, and I invoke Archangel Chamuel, because Archangel Chamuel is telling us that peace comes from remembering that only and only love is real. The easiest and quickest way to feel love is to take 3 deep breaths into your heart and connect with the person or your own self when you are feeling chaotic or not so centered. And today is a beautiful full moon energy, so go ahead and bathe in the moon. Get your crystals and cards out if that's what you have. If not, simply sit in the moonlight and put an intention to allow for the energies to come through. It's a powerful day to enhance your psychic intuitions and abilities. So put an intention to the universe and do that. And if you're very keen on knowing specific rituals, today is full moon in Virgo and we are in the Pisces sign. So we're talking about the water sign and the earth sign coming together. Do sign up for a moon magic workshop. The link is in my bio. Have a lovely full moon and may you experience the magic of the moon. Goodbye everyone, and experience peace and invoke Archangel Chamuel. Bye.